Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can self-host N8n. So let's get started. Let me show you how to install N8n locally so you don't have to rely on the cloud services. Normally, if you use N8n on their website, you'll need a paid subscription starting at around $24 per month. But the good news is that you can install and run N8n completely for free on your own computer, as long as you don't need enterprise-level features. The process is simple, even if you're not very tech-savvy. The only thing you'll need is Node.js. To get it, go to nodeages.org and download the installer for your operating system. For example, if you're on Windows, choose the Windows installer. Once it downloads, run the setup wizard. Just keep clicking next. All the required packages are already pre-selected. Finally, click Finish to complete the installation. To confirm that Node.js installed successfully, type this command, and you should see a version number printed out. Now it's time to install N8n. Type the following command. The G flag makes sure N8n is installed globally, so you can run it from anywhere in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, you might see some warnings about deprecated packages. Don't worry, those aren't an issue. Next, run N8n by typing. This will start the local server, and you'll see a message saying the editor is available at http://localhost 5678. Open that URL in your browser, and you'll be greeted with the setup page. Here, you'll need to create a local account. This is different from the account you may have on the N8n website. It's only stored on your computer. Fill out your details, answer the short questionnaire, and click Get Started. It may also ask you to sign up for a license. You can skip this step if you don't need premium features. Now N8n is up and running locally, and you can use it just like the web version. But keep in mind, it only works while your command prompt is open and the server is running. If you close the terminal, N8n will stop. To use it again, just rerun the N8n command. And that's it. You now have N8n installed locally, giving you access to nearly all of its features for free. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.